Hi, my name's Laureen from Webster Public Library, and I wanted to explain about finding downloadable books that are nonfiction. I am guessing that maybe a fair number of people think of mostly fiction books when they think about downloading a book to their device or their phone. So I want to show you how to find nonfiction books in case you're not aware. I'm going to say share the screen right now, and here we have the websterpubliclibrary.org website page. And once you're on our website, if you go over to catalog, you will find a choice for OverDrive, eBooks, and audiobooks. Then the next page is where you would choose view the entire collection. And you can search a couple different ways. Number one, if you click on subjects, you will see fiction and then nonfiction. And there are all kinds of categories there. Another way would be to go to the search bar, search category, and type in, I'm going to talk mostly about career and job books, job search. So you can type in job. Yeah, I see one job interview book down there. Or job search, you see quite a few more that are related specifically to job search. Another thought would be to type in network, and again, you'll see quite a few titles that begin with network or actually networking. Also, if you type in career or careers, you will see a number of titles that relate to careers. I'm going to go back to job search. So let me type in job search and press enter. And here we go. So we've got a number of different titles available. If you want to be sure it's available right now, then you click on the available now choice. And you will see that there are ebooks in various formats and audiobooks. Not so many audiobooks. And then under subjects, again, you can see there's a careers choice and a few other categories. So take a look. There's a fair number of them. Some are not necessarily brand new, but the information can't hurt, I wouldn't think. And what you can do then is, so let's say you've got one of them you want to borrow, go ahead and sign in up at the top of the page with your library card number and your last name. And then you can click on borrow on one of the books here on the book cover. So I'm going to say borrow. Of course, I shouldn't do that because I didn't put in my card number yet. Anyways, that is where it will take you. That would be the next page. So when you sign out the book or borrow the book here on the computer, which is what I prefer just because it's a larger screen, then you go to your device and pull up your Libby or your OverDrive app, and you will see on your shelf the book that you've borrowed here. And then you can go ahead and download it onto your device. If you ever have questions with downloadable books, you're welcome to email us at webster.reference@libraryweb.org, and one of our librarians will get back to you for help with downloading. And I hope you'll do some searching and just see what's in there. That's probably the most helpful thing to do. Alrighty, take care.